The scary sounds of Halloween. Children never trick or treat at that scary house just down the street. But if you dare to take a peek, walk through the rusty gate, creak. You start to feel as you walk through that something might be watching you. A glowing eye, or maybe two. Up in a tree, you hear a who. It's just an owl. You start to laugh as you continue up the path. You soon forget the hooting owl, when in the fog, you hear a howl. You feel a chill run up your spine. Was that a werewolf set to dine? There isn't time to run nor dash. The gate behind you closes. Crash! Now you're heading toward the door, twice as frightened as before. Your skin feels like a big goosebump when you hear footsteps. Clump, clump, clump. You run into the house to hide. The door slams shut. You're locked inside. The lights are out, and you can't see. But somebody cackles. Hee hee hee. Was that a witch? A ghoul? A ghost? Some other happy haunted host? You're much too scared to even speak. For now, you hear a frightful eek. Is anybody there? You wisp a call, but there's no answer. None at all. You climb the stairs and start to slink. When you hear chains go clink, clink, clink. Your knees are getting weak from fear of all the frightening sounds you hear. A door is open. You peek through. Shadows jump and shout out, "Boo!" The scary noise has knocked you. Your bag of candy scatters round. The lights turn on. Oh, what a scene! Your friends shout, "Happy Halloween!"